Join me in class as I pull back the blackout curtains and teach you my full production process. I'm Colette, a professional stop motion artist based in California. My work is short and sweet, clever and engaging, bright and colorful, and I made sure to create this course in a way that's fun and easy to follow. Starting with the gear, programs, and camera settings I use, and walking you through pre-production, animating, and editing, you'll learn step by step how to create a high-quality stop motion video like this. This course is for photographers, stop motion artists, small business owners, and anyone else who has a passion for magic and wants to learn exactly how I create stop motion videos. This is the course I wish I had as I was slowly learning to improve the quality of my work. So join me, get ready to have fun, and let's stop motion.